Hi everyone, this video from the Madrid program covers what to pack with you and professionalism while you're on the program. I do have a sample packing list here for you. What I do really recommend is that you've got comfortable and versatile shoes that are appropriate for your business visits. You are going to be walking a lot, both on the visits and just in general when you're in Madrid. So please just pay attention to what shoes you bring. I generally discourage bringing high heels. There's a lot of cobblestones in Europe, and it's generally you're much better off in flats. I also do recommend bringing granola bars or energy bars with you, especially if you're someone who likes to snack throughout the day or who is a rather picky eater. In Spain, you'll probably eat your lunches and certainly your dinners much later than you're used to. You may go longer periods between meals and you will have limited opportunities to stop and grab snacks. So bringing a couple of granola bars with you is never a bad idea. And as we talked about in a previous video, bringing some over-the-counter medications with you is also a smart idea just in case you need them. In general, for your business visits, business casual is totally fine. You probably don't need to plan on a suit. It will be warmer in Madrid at the time that you're there, so business casual is totally suitable. These are good examples of outfits. Anything that you would wear to the office on a normal day generally is fine. No jeans, no sneakers, and just be dressed appropriately. Professional behavior includes a number of different things. We talked a little bit about dressing in attire. That's certainly an important component of it. Being on time is another really important aspect. Please do not be late in the morning. If we say that the bus is loading and departing at 8:30, don't mosey on down to the breakfast room at 8:25 to make yourself a plate for breakfast. Please make sure that you are on the bus and ready to go on time. It's inconsiderate to the speakers that we bring in, to program staff and faculty, and most importantly to your peers in the program if you're running late and you make people wait. So given that, if you are not on time, the bus will go ahead without you, and it will be your responsibility then to figure out where the group is and meet up with them. So please don't let that happen. Please just make sure that you're on time. When you're in your business meetings, my recommendation is that you take notes, that you're engaged and involved. Don't bring snacks into those meetings. Jet lag is a tough thing, I get it, but please do your best to stay engaged and stay active, and also watch out for one another. So if you see that another student is perhaps struggling with the time zone, you need to hit them in the shoulder to wake them up, please do so. If you're really having a difficult time and you need to step out to get some fresh air, that's fine to do that, but please just be very conscious and aware of your actions, and note that unprofessional behavior will directly and negatively impact your grade for the course. And then just a quick note on electricity, just whatever you're bringing with you. Make sure that you're checking the voltage on any appliance that you bring. The voltage in Europe is at 220 to 240 volts. Most US appliances are 120 volts, so if you plug something that's 120 into a 220, it's going to explode, so you don't want to do that. Make sure that you've checked your devices to see that they say that they are dual voltage. Modern cell phones, laptop computers, tablets are all going to be dual voltage, so all you need is an outlet converter, but things like curling irons or electric razors likely will not be dual voltage, so you just want to check that before you go. Very often hotels will have a couple of outlet adapters, but we've got a very large group of people, and they most certainly will not have enough for everybody. So my recommendation is that you purchase an adapter ahead of time and you bring it with you, so you've got it. And then just one more reminder that the hotel rooms for this program do have hair dryers, so there's no need to worry about that. Hopefully that will help you as you move forward and start packing for the program, but as always, you're welcome to be in touch with me at ksbabroad@american.edu if you have any specific questions about things that you may need to bring with you to Spain. Thanks. Bye.